special tool for that, right?
That's you.
Oh, that's one buster.
Say hi to Daddy. Say hi.
Hey, Ella, what's doing?
Hello.
Huh? What's doing?
What are you doing, shriveling up?
I think it's time for you to go into the spa with that now.
Going to the spa?
Follow me.
What's he doing? Huh?
Oh,
Is he taking a picture of you? Huh?
Hi, Mike. Glad to meet you.
Yeah.
This is a mess. In a beautiful
Say
way.
hi.
Natural light. So, I've worked really hard with your friend Howard out there.
I see that.
Who really didn't even break a sweat. And he's asked me to bring this mud. What are we going to do? We're going to mix the mud?
Yes, we're going to mix the ash with hot mineral water.
So, a little bit?
Yep, just a fine mist over, spread it around evenly.
That's technique.
That's good.
Yeah.
What you doing, little girl?
Just don't
Huh?
stop.
What you doing? Come on, you can